Several types of YouTube channels were trending and gaining popularity. 1. Gaming channels. 2. Vlogs and lifestyle channels. 3. Educational channels. 4. Tech reviews and unboxing channels. 5. Cooking and food channels. 6. ASMR channels. 7. Fitness and wellness channels. 8. DIY and crafting channels. 9. Animation and cartoon channels. 10. Personal finance and entrepreneurship channels. Keep in mind that trends can change over time, so it's essential to stay informed about current interests and preferences among YouTube viewers. Additionally, successful channels often offer unique perspectives, high-quality content, and consistent engagement with their audience.